What's going on, everybody? It's Josh. Today, another unboxing video. This is actually my first hobby box that I've purchased. Everything else that I've purchased prior has been these Star Wars, the Archive Signature Series. I have not bought a hobby box before, so I'm very excited. Decided to go with Masterworks because I really do enjoy the cards. Through these, I actually, on eBay and through some Facebook groups, I got a good little lot of some random cards in, so I decided just to get those to help fill in my collection a little bit. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos as much as I enjoy making them. Oh man, I'm so excited. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know the correct way to open all of these, but I'm going to do the best that I can with them. So let's just get into the first one real quick. I'm extremely nervous. Fingers crossed. Alright. So it looks like we have an Ezra Bridger. Oh nice, Saul Guerrero. I think that's from Rebels as well. I think, ooh, whoa, this is nice. A purple Palpatine. 21 out of 50, right? Yeah. Wow, that's a good one. Another one from the back. Ooh. Is this the Jedi? History of the Jedi Ray. Nice. I do not have this one. I believe this is the hit. Nope. From the side. Just flip it over. Oh, okay. Patch or a stamp card. 85 out of 200. I'm trying to collect some good Rogue One cards, so I don't mind this one, and I do not believe that I have that yet, so I'll set that to the side. Hopefully, so that's cool. That purple Palpatine looks awesome. I like that a lot. It's always nice to get some numbered cards. Yeah, I don't mind the stamp cards at all. Alright. Oh, Tauntaun. Nice. That's cool. Galen Erso. That will go good with my Rogue One collection. Or a Rathar. Is that what it is? A Rathar? Nice. Blue. What is this? Star Destroyer. Not numbered. And I think I've seen people like flip it over so they can see. Oh, there was the freaking autograph. Good going. Oh wow, nice. I think I have her autograph on this. I don't remember. But that's funny because I pulled her autograph earlier in a different series. But we got a Ashley Eckstein, Ahsoka Tano autograph. I will not complain about getting her autograph. I think it's one of the most, like, I don't know, best looking autographs. I like how she uses the A with Ahsoka and Ashley all at once. So that is very cool. I will not complain about that at all. So far, so good on these boxes. I'm pretty happy with them. Ooh, nice. Ayla Secura. We have this guy. Some guy from Force Awakens, I believe. The man of green, Captain Peavy. 62 out of 99. What is this? Oh, Powerful Partners. Obi-Wan and Anakin. Medallion. Oh, Grand Moff Tarkin, and so this goes with Rogue One. 61 out of 175. Nice. I don't mind that either. Very cool, but look how thick these cards are. I enjoy these a lot. Alright, last box. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. This should be an autograph, I think. Doesn't feel heavy because I think these do have like framed autographs. Cool stuff. Fingers crossed. All right. Master Code Breaker. We got the Supremacy, 6 out of 299. Oh, nice. A blue parallel of the Wicket. Oh, nice. Kanan, History of the Jedi. And then, let's see if we can. Okay. Top. Oh. I've seen her a lot in unboxing videos. Crystal Clark. So I don't know. That's a very, very hard name to read. Ensign something good. No idea. But I think she's pretty common autograph wise. But it's someone that I don't have, so that's a good thing. But anyways, that is it. So let's go back to this Emperor real quick. Yes, this is a cool card. I like that a lot. 21 of 50. So overall, I would say this is a pretty good win. Stamp card. What else did I get? I forget already. And then I got the Ahsoka. Oh yeah, I got this Ahsoka. And I got a stamp. And then that chick. Okay, so yep, those are my 4 hits. Pretty good though. Ahsoka autograph, love it. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to check out the other card unboxings that I have on the channel. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video or live stream. And as always, may the figs be with you.